Hi there everyone. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel. Today we're going to learn about how to take a screenshot in the laptop. Nowadays we have seen the importance of taking screenshot and doing some works on it. So for that we have to open the laptop first. For the easy making process, I will suggest you to press Windows and Shift together. After that just press S. So there will be a bar and you have to select the whole bar on it. After that you will get the screenshot. Okay, the software name is Snippet Tools. It will automatically copy your shot. Then you can paste it anywhere you like. Just press Ctrl plus V and easily the screenshot will be available in your desired place. Hope the video was very much helpful. See you in the next video. Thank you.